it's Jess here from Athlean XX for Women, and I'm here to show you a quick cardio routine that you can do in your living room. No equipment necessary. Let's clear out some space, kind of scoot your couch over, and let's get ready to get sweaty. As you can see, I've put together this awesome indoor cardio workout for you guys. Take a look. We're gonna go through a 5-round cycle to really get a great 10-minute cardio workout. It's gonna be a little longer than 10 minutes because you'll take breaks in between. So you can get this entire thing done in less than 15 minutes total. So here's how we're gonna start. First thing on the list is a high knee. Then you go into a mountain climber, down on the ground, on your hands. Then we're gonna do some burpees. Do as many burpees as you can within the given time. That's 30 seconds. And then you're gonna finish with a squat hop to really burn out the legs and really get that heart racing. Okay, you'll take a short break after the 4th move, and then you'll repeat the cycle, and we're gonna go through this cycle 5 times together. So I promise I'm gonna be sweating, huffing and puffing too. That's the point, is you wanna get yourself winded, you wanna get that fat burning, get your blood circulating. It's good for you. So you guys ready to do this with me? Let's go. Here's how I do the timing. Whenever I need to do workouts that have timed intervals, I usually just grab my smartphone and I put it on the timer, and then you're able to set it to either 1 minute or 30 seconds. I'm going to put this on the floor, and as soon as I hit the start button, it's go time. Cardio on. Okay, I'm starting with high knees. 60 seconds. That was tough. No breaks yet, clock is still rolling. Going straight into mountain climbers. Oh gosh, okay. So I'm officially sweating now, so that's a good thing. We're not done yet though, we're going into burpees straight from here, so stay down. And ready, set, go. Okay. I hope you're doing this with me so I'm not the only one sweating. You're doing it, right? Good. Okay. Last exercise is the squat hop. And I'm just going to catch my breath real quick. Get right back up and go straight into it. "60 seconds on here." Okay, so that was round 1 out of 5. No matter how much you do these, they're still gonna kick your butt. And don't be shy, don't be afraid to get yourself out of breath, because that is where the results are made, I promise. So now that round 1 is done, it's time to put my hair up because I'm sweating all over the place. Round 2, here I come. High knees first. Round 3. Ready? On your mark, get set, and go. Round 4. On your mark. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, so now that I'm in the 5th round, you can see I'm having a hard time catching my breath back, but I know I'm almost done, so that's what keeps me pushing through. When you feel like you want to quit, you're just almost there, so don't quit yet. 2 more minutes of hard work to do. It's only 2. It's my 5th round, so I'm gonna do it, okay? I'm ready, are you? Okay, if you're ready, I'm ready. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go! did my indoor home workout. Since it's raining out today, I didn't bother going to the gym. I didn't need any equipment to get sweaty. I just used my own body. That's what we believe in here at Athlean XX for Women. You don't need a ton of equipment. You don't need a gym membership. All you need is your body and your attitude to work hard and get results. I promise all of our workouts are under 33 minutes, so you're not going to spend hours in the gym or doing dreadful workouts that you hate. They're all going to be short, effective. You are going to have to work hard, but we promise the results you're going to earn are going to be so worth it. So if you haven't started your 90-day Training with Athlean XX workout program, then what are you waiting for? Get over to the site right now. It's athleanxxforwomen.com, and you can buy your 90-day program that's going to come with a complete schedule and nutrition that's going to get you in the best shape of your life. Find the program, start your transformation today. If you want to check on Facebook, you can see a bunch of the transformations that women are already making. It's so inspirational. I highly recommend liking the Facebook page, and you're going to get inspirational quotes and pictures every day. Follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter, and we'll see you guys soon. I'll be posting next week with more workout tips and nutrition videos to get you lean and athletic. We'll see you next week. Bye.